Welcome to Investosphere. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most burning questions in the world of cryptocurrency. What will Bitcoin's price be in 2030? Will it skyrocket to $1 million? Or will it crash and fade into history? In this video, we'll analyze expert opinions, historical trends, market factors, and risks to give you the most realistic Bitcoin price prediction for 2030. Stay till the end, because we'll also discuss how you can take advantage of future Bitcoin trends. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert investment insights. Number 1. The journey of Bitcoin. Brief history of Bitcoin's price growth from 2009 to 2024. The cycles of Bitcoin halving and how they influence the price. Bitcoin's resilience against economic downturns. The role of institutional adoption. Do you think Bitcoin will follow its historical patterns? Or is the market changing too fast? Number 2. Experts' predictions for Bitcoin in 2030. Predictions from financial analysts, e.g., Cathie Wood, Plan B, Robert Kiyosaki, etc. Price range forecasts: $100,000, $500,000, $1 million plus? What drives such bullish or bearish predictions? Comparing Bitcoin's potential with traditional assets like gold and real estate. Do you trust expert predictions, or do you prefer your own research? Number 3. Key factors that could influence Bitcoin's price by 2030. Adoption rate. Will more companies and countries use Bitcoin? Regulations. How could governments influence Bitcoin's price? Inflation and economic factors. Will Bitcoin become a hedge against inflation? Technological improvements. Lightning Network, Taproot upgrades, and scalability. Do you believe Bitcoin will be more mainstream in 2030? Number 4. Risks and challenges that could impact Bitcoin's future. Government bans and regulatory crackdowns. The risk of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, replacing Bitcoin. Energy consumption debate and environmental concerns. Bitcoin's volatility. Will it ever stabilize? What's the biggest risk you think Bitcoin faces in the next decade? Number 5. Investment strategies for Bitcoin in the long term. Should you buy Bitcoin now or wait? Dollar cost averaging versus lump sum investing. Portfolio diversification. How much Bitcoin should you own? Best platforms to store and trade Bitcoin securely. Are you holding Bitcoin for the long run, or are you trading short term? Number 6. Realistic Bitcoin price prediction for 2030. Comparing bullish versus bearish scenarios. Why Bitcoin could reach $1 million per coin, hyperbitcoinization theory. Why Bitcoin could drop below $100,000, market crash, lack of adoption, etc. Most likely scenario based on data analysis. What do you think Bitcoin's price will be in 2030? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video insightful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more investment insights. We break down finance, crypto, and market trends so you can make the best financial decisions. What topic should we cover next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching Investosphere, and we'll see you in the next video.